Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased today, as of March 23, 2024, by 0.61%, 0.31%, and 0.11%, respectively, compared to yesterday.
Latest news.
Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 64,000 USDT with a narrowed 0.65% 0.64% increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 64,000 USDT as market data reveals narrow 0.65% 0.64% increase in 24 hours. On March 23, 2024, 23:57 p.m. UTC. According to Binance market data, Bitcoin has dropped below 64,000 USDT and is now trading at 63,969.398438 USDT, with a narrowed 0.65% 0.64% increase in 24 hours. Ethereum, F, surpasses 3,400 USDT with a 3.38% 0.38% increase in 24 hours. Ethereum crosses 3,400 USDT benchmark with 3.38% 0.38% increase in 24 hours. This release is subject to change and should be reviewed by a professional before publication. Bitcoin, BTC, surpasses 65,000 USDT with a 3.12% 0.12% increase in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that Bitcoin has reached a new high of 65,010 USDT, with a 3.12% 0.12% increase in 24 hours. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, th. Hong Kong Housewife loses $908K in fraudulent crypto investment platform. Crypto Potato reports a significant increase in losses for a 46-year-old housewife in Hong Kong after investing in a fraudulent crypto trading platform. The housewife, who did not realize she had been scammed until a year after the incident, was tricked into transferring over $900,000 into 15 bank accounts for crypto investments. Despite receiving no profits, she became suspicious and reported the case to the local police force. Detectives from the Western District, Hong Kong, have linked the fraudulent crypto trading platform to similar scam reports through Scammeter, a platform that allows the public to check for suspicious or fraudulent web IP addresses, emails, platform usernames, bank accounts, and mobile phone numbers. There has been an uptick in crypto investment scams in recent years, leading to financial losses of up to $3.26 billion last year and an increase in the number of reports to 5,105 compared to 1,284 the year before. The case is classified as obtaining property by deception and is punishable by up to 10 years imprisonment. BNB surpasses 560 USDT with a 4.26% 4.66% increase in 24 hours. Binance Coin, BNB, has broken the 560 USDT benchmark, with a 4.26% 4.66% increase in 24 hours. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, th. Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem gains funding attention following Dencun upgrade. The US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, th. Layer 2 infrastructure startup Espresso recently announced a $28 million Series B funding round led by Z Crypto, with participation from various Layer 2 related firms such as Polygon, Starkware, and Arbitrum developer Off-Chain Labs. Espresso is primarily known for developing a shared sequencer for Layer 2s, which allows rollups to order and process transactions through a shared marketplace instead of their own execution environments, potentially increasing interoperability between Layer 2s. Two other Layer 2 projects announced significant funding rounds. Morph, a consumer-centric blockchain project, raised $20 million in seed funding led by Dragonfly, with participation from Pantera, Foresight Ventures, and the Spartan Group. Meanwhile, the developer behind privacy-focused Layer 210, the encrypted network, raised $9 million in a funding round led by R3. Derivatives exchanges, where traders can speculate on future crypto asset prices, are gaining popularity. Rails, a self-custody-focused perpetuals exchange, emerged from stealth mode with $6.2 million in seed funding from investors including Slow Ventures, Round 13 Capital, CMC Global, and QuantStamp. Additionally, institution-focused derivatives infrastructure startup Kemet announced $5 million in funding LED by Further Ventures. Other notable fundraisers in the crypto space include Succinct's $55 million series LED by Paradigm, real-world asset tokenization startup Mantra's $11 million funding round LED by MENA-based Sharuk Partners, and Sonover's $7 million funding round LED by Blocktower Capital for an on-chain data platform aimed at institutional investors. Ethereum, F, surpasses 3,400 USDT with a 2.8% total increase in 24 hours. Ethereum crosses 3,400 USDT benchmark with 2.8% total increase in 24 hours. On March 23, 2024, 14:33 p.m. UTC, Binance market data reported that Ethereum has increased by 2.8% total value in the past 24 hours, reaching a trading price of 3,492 USDT. Bitcoin, BTC, surpasses 65,000 USDT with a 3.11% 3.11% increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin crosses 65,000 USDT benchmark on March 23, 2024, with 3.1% increase in 24 hours. Bitcoin purchases in Argentina surge amid inflation and economic instability. Argentina's Bitcoin adoption surges as citizens seek alternative stores of value. According to CryptoPotato, Argentina's Bitcoin adoption has increased significantly in recent months, with weekly purchases soaring to 7,700 inton the first week of March. This represents a 20-month high and shows the growing interest of Argentinians in the cryptocurrency as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. The strong demand for Bitcoin has also led to a decline in demand for traditional assets, including digital tokens tied to real-world currencies such as USDT and USDC. Argentina's inflation rate is at 276%, which has eroded the value of the national currency, the peso, prompting citizens to seek alternative stores of value. President Javier Milei's administration has taken steps to address economic challenges, including efforts to clean up the central bank's balance sheet, but his approach has focused on managing the peso's valuation rather than immediate dollarization. The shift towards Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty has also led to a decline in demand for traditional assets, driven by the desire to avoid the effects of peso devaluation, high inflation, and limitations on accessing foreign currencies. BNB surpasses 560 USDT with a 0.36% 0.36 decrease in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that BNB has crossed the 560 USDT benchmark, with a 0.36% 0.36% decrease in 24 hours. US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29, th. Azuki founder Zagabond reveals identity and addresses community concerns. Azuki founder Zagabond's personal life goal is to better connect East and West, as revealed on X platform. The company, which raised 20,000 ETH, faced community scrutiny due to unclear use of funds. Azuki, though, hired lawyers to recover the funds and initiated a lawsuit, but later withdrawing the lawsuit. Zagabond ETH admitted in an article on Mirror that the Azuki team had operated 3 projects in the past year: CryptoFunks, Tendies, and CryptoZoomx. Binance Market Update 2024年3月23日 Press Release Azuki founder Zagabond reveals identity and addresses community concerns. 星号 Friend.tech plans to distribute investor shares to users. 星号 Bakery Swap completes refunds for pump pre-sale participants. 星号 Bitcoin spot ETFs experience net outflows. 星号 Grayscale ETF GBTC sees single-day outflow of $169 million. 星号 SEC delays decision on Grayscale Ethereum futures ETF application. 星号 Terraform co-founder Dencun to be released from Montenegro prison. Xinghao ARK Invest CEO Kathy Wood discusses Bitcoin's role in emerging markets. Xinghao Ripple's price breaks upper trendline, signaling bullish potential. Xinghao BlackRock Digital Assets Head discusses company's view on other crypto products. Xinghao Aptos gains 16%, while majority of CoinDesk Ash assets weaken. Top gainers on Binance. Xinghao OX USDT 正 29%. Xinghao NOS USDT 正 17%. Xinghao CIS USDT 正 16%. Friend.tech plans to distribute investor shares to users. Friend.tech to distribute shares held by venture capitalists to users. Foresight News reports that Web3 social platform Friend.tech has announced its plan to distribute shares held by venture capitalists, including Paradigm, to its users. The company stated that after a meeting discussion, its investors had agreed to give up the right to sell tokens to users, allowing users to control the tokens. 此前, Foresight News reported that Friend.tech stated that after a meeting discussion, its investors had agreed to give up the right to sell tokens to users, allowing users to control the tokens.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all an abundant supply of cryptocurrency. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always be prepared to take on the challenges that come your way. Cheers to financial success and continued growth. #cryptocurrency #success